This will be a short demonstration of my final year project, the development of a web server application. For a bit of context, the client for this project needed a method to gather data using custom surveys. The client needed to be able to view survey results using graphical format, such as charts, and they wanted a way to automatically send email invitations to customers. For a bit of background as to why the client would need to conduct surveys. Surveys would allow the client to find out what customer satisfaction levels are and how their opinions of the business are, and would allow them to develop new business strategies. Web surveys in particular are less expensive than other survey types and are able to reach a much wider audience through the internet. My proposed solution was therefore to develop a web server application that would meet the client's needs. The application would have functionality that would allow the client to be able to create surveys, the customers would answer the surveys, the client would then be able to view survey results, and be able to send email invitations to all customers. I will now quickly demonstrate the web server application. When the client is logged in, they are able to define a new survey here, where they are able to enter the name of the new survey, as well as the number of questions and number of answers per question. They are then able to enter the survey description as well as all of the questions and answers, and they are able to decide if a question is ranked or not. The client is also able to edit already created surveys here. Participating in a survey can be done by anyone. The person is able to select the survey they wish to respond to here, which they will then respond to and answer in a format such as this. When submitting the survey, it is stored in the application and can be viewed in the results by the client when logged in. The survey results are shown here in a graphical format. The user is able to select between different questions here as well, and the number of responses received are shown there. For ranked surveys questions, the average of the question is shown here along with a representation in the form of a bar chart. The user is also able to export the survey results in CSV format for further calculations. The client is also able to send survey invitations here, either for all surveys or for specific surveys. The client is also able to add new customers from here. In conclusion, the application that was developed met the client's needs successfully. However, future improvements could be made to the application and include the ability to add additional administrative users within the application itself, as well as the ability to select only a subsection of customers to send email invitations to. Improvements can also be made to the user interface to improve scaling on different size devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and larger screen devices.